How to play Roblox on Windows 7. Now, first things first, Roblox has officially ended support for Windows 7 on January 16, 2025, due to outdated security standards. While application may not function or update properly, but you can still run Roblox by your Windows 7. Now, for you to be able to run it smoothly on that specific legacy operating system, all you have to do is to right-click on your Roblox player and then head into Properties. Then from here, all you have to do first is go into General and then go into Advanced. Now from Advanced, make sure that this option here that says compress contents to save disk space is ticked and then hit on OK. Now next, what you want to do is to head straight into compatibility and then choose this compatibility mode 4, tick this box here and change it into Windows 7. Hit on apply, restart your PC and try to relaunch the game again. And that is how you play Roblox on Windows 7.